And there's been another eruption in the Ring of Fire volcanoes. Bali Volcano Eruption, Mount Agung spews volcanic ash, triggering the closure of the airport. Bali's highest volcano, Mount Agung, sends hot volcanic ash 2,500 meters into the air. That's about 9,000 feet into the air following the eruption on Thursday, today, causing major disruption to international flights. Express UK Martina Bett reports the number of international flights have been cancelled after the Mount Agung volcano began spewing water vapor and ash 2 kilometers into the air. The Ngurah Rai International Airport in Bali, also known as Denpasar Airport, was shut down at 3 on June 29 local time, that's 8 p.m. June 28 GMT, due to the lack of visibility provoked by the ash cloud. Statements released by the airport say, Denpasar Airport is currently closed and we are monitoring the advice from the Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, and our team of senior pilots and meteorologists will make an assessment when flights can be resumed. According to Angkasa Pura, the airport operator, and the country's disaster agency, Indonesia's airport on Bali will be shut on Friday until 7 p.m. local time. Budget carrier Air Asia said in a statement, the eruption of Mount Agung today has impacted several of our flights to and from Bali. Ngurah Rai's airport online information board showed Australian Airlines Jetstar, Virgin Australia and Qantas had cancelled flights to and from this island. Korean Air, Air Asia, China Eastern Airlines, Garuda, Malindo Air and CityLink have also cancelled some flights. Ngurah Rai's Public Relations Department said 26 international inbound and outbound flights have been cancelled, affecting nearly 5,000 travelers. 10 domestic flights were also cancelled after more than 1,700 passengers affecting. However, if the airport reopens on Friday night, Melbourne Airport spokesman Grant Smith said later flights may be able to go ahead. He said based on the flight time out of Melbourne, it's possible some flights may still depart today, but we'll have to take our guidance from the airlines once they've notified what's happening on the ground there. Now, airlines, we know, avoid flying through volcanic ash as it can damage the plane's engines, clog fuel and cooling systems, and hamper visibility. In other words, there's a great chance of the aircraft having an accident. The Regional Volcanic Ash Advisory Center in Darwin, Australia, claimed winds could carry the ash southwards towards Bali's International Airport and Java, which is Indonesia's most densely populated island. Volcano trackers reported 2 eruptions from Mount Agung, an active volcano in northeastern Bali, between June 10th and June 12th. Mount Agung has been puffing since November of last year. The first minor explosive eruption have already caused the closure of the airport December 2017. Mount Agung is one of the 147 volcanoes spread over Indonesia, one of the 453 in the Ring of Fire. Some 120 of these are deemed active, of the 147 of Indonesia, with 3 of them currently in a state of eruption.